So before we continue, let us go into what we have here. I'm recording. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an iPhone 12 unboxing. So this is the purple phone that I got, the purple version, and it is 64 gigabytes. I'm super excited about this one because I've had this phone for some time. Okay, yeah, I have the lowest iPhone 12. I mean, the lowest iPhone in my household, and I'm pretty embarrassed, but whatever. So currently I have the iPhone 8 Plus. I've had this for some time, like I said. It's serving its purpose a little bit, but I love the iPhone 11 Pro Max camera. My sister has the 11 Pro Max, so I love that camera, so that's why I wanted to upgrade. So yeah, I'm doing a trade-in. It'll be way cheaper when you do a trade-in, but you know, everyone has a different carrier, so that's why I wanted to upgrade so I can get a better camera quality. So yeah, that's the only reason why I updated, to be honest. I had the home button on my phone, so I would like a change. You know, this one of course does not have a home button, so yeah. But enough talking, let's get into this unboxing. But before we get into this unboxing, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also turn on your notifications so you always get notified every time I upload. All right, so you can just pull it up from here. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, that works too. Okay. So, so front, back. Still trying to get used to this unboxing thing. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all heard that too, right? Okay. But yeah, it looks so nice. Look at that. Alright, so I think the only difference between the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 11 is just the shape, which we'll get into later. But anyway, the phone looks so nice, so shiny, so clean, like I was saying. So the I'm not a tech channel. Yeah, let me stop. But I'm just reviewing, okay, from a normal person's point of view, okay? Okay. So yeah, like I was saying about the thing, I don't know what this is called, the edges, okay? So the only difference between this phone and the iPhone 11 is how it's designed. This one's more, you know, defined, while the iPhone 11 I think is more curved, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so clean y'all can see the reflection, please. Okay. All right, so this is how the screen looks. Ooh, not y'all my business. Okay, so yeah, this is how the screen looks. It's so clean, I like it. Okay, so let's go over the exterior. So we have the vibrate settings right here, and then we have the volume up and down button, and then where you put your SD memory card, and then where you charge your phone, and then you have the power button right here. I'm not sure what this is. I think this is supposed to be magnetic, but I'm not sure. I'm new to this. Then these are the cameras. So I think that's all for the exterior. Okay. Oh yeah, then we have like, I think the microphone thing right here. So yeah, the microphone. Possibly, y'all. Speakers, whatever. Yeah, that. I'm gonna press and hold on it. Ooh. So it's turning on. I'm excited. It's probably gonna take a while though. Ooh, hello. Okay, so swipe up to open. Alright, so let me show y'all from a different angle, just so we can, you know, yeah. Oh wait, so before we continue, let us go into what we have here. I probably should have went over this first, but yeah, we're just gonna do it now. Okay, so first we have the papers. Oh, it comes with Apple stickers, yay. Okay, so we have some Apple stickers, and then a user guide, and then we have the SD card, memory card thing that you use to prop it open and then put your memory card inside. And then we have the charger. No, not the charger, the cable. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, we got the cable, and then the charger. That's what it doesn't come with. So the packaging does not include a charger. So yeah, you'll have to pay for that separately. So this is the USB-C 20 watt. I believe that's what the W stands for. Power adapter. So let me open it. And this is the one that you have to buy separately. So this is how the charger would look like. I bought this from my local phone carrier store, and I believe this is about $20, $20, $30, I'm not sure, but around that price range. So I think that's all for the accessories that it comes with. Okay, so let's get to the phone. Okay, so let me do this from another angle. Alrighty, so let's swipe. English. Alrighty. Alright, so now it's allowing me to choose a Wi-Fi network and then enter the password. Alright, so while we're waiting for my phone to activate, we're going to just open this case that I got from Walmart. Okay. Alright, so this is the case that I got. It's just like a plain pink case, you know. Before we end this unboxing, I want to do a quick comparison with my old phone and my new phone. So this is my old iPhone that I'm about to trade in. This is the iPhone 8 Plus. Yeah. Okay, and then this is my new iPhone that I have. Very wonderful. It's very much serving its purpose, very much serving, period. Also, I can't activate my phone, so I have to take it to like my phone carrier store, yeah, so they can help me activate it. So yeah, I think that's where we end this unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos regarding my iPhone 12, then leave some suggestions down in the suggestions. Leave some ideas in the comment section down below. So thank you all so much for watching this YouTube video. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot. And have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, love.